Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is an art journal page and I'm working in my Prima mixed media book. To begin with, I've taken a stamp by Kaisercraft of a bird cage and I'm stamping this using archival ink in the colour watering can. When I've done this, I pick up some distress ink in antique linen and I use a water brush to apply this to the edges of my page. To deepen the colour around the edge of the page, I'm using two Zig brush markers. The colours here are ochre and mustard. I'm applying it to my craft sheet and then picking up the colour using my water brush so that I can blend it into the page more easily. To develop my background, I've chosen a clear stamp by Prima and I'm going to stamp this using distress ink in antique linen. Next, I'm taking a Tim Holtz stamp. This is from a set called Mini Ornates, and I've chosen the birds from this set, which I'm stamping all over the page, again using antique linen distress ink. This is a stamp by Zettiology of a bird and I'm stamping this using archival ink in the colour watering can. For the text on my page, I've chosen a stamp set by My Favourite Things. This is called Vanity License Plate, and again I'm using archival ink in watering can to stamp with. After I've done this, I choose some additional stamps to add some splatters to my page. This is a Micron pen by Secura, and I'm using this to add some additional detail. I decided to draw a little heart that the bird is carrying, and I colour this with a Zig brush pen in red and then add some splatters around it also in the same colour. Here I'm also using the Micron pen to outline my lettering. Once I've done this, I go back to the Zig brush markers and add some shading around the letters, underneath the bird and underneath the bird cage. That was the last step in today's project. I hope you enjoyed watching. Today was quite a quick and easy project, but sometimes it's nice to have something that's a little more simple and less complicated. If you did enjoy watching, I do appreciate it when you hit the like button. If you require a full product list, there is the usual link in the video description, as well as details of my Facebook mixed media group and my other social media sites.